Windswept and rain-stained, he drifted in on a derelict breeze and blew soft, warm kisses across her starving body. The awakening was like a split-second, unexpected hemorrhage of the heart. In the beginning, the color was so brilliant, so red, so beautiful and hot, she didn't realize he was dying of emotion. They sailed without reason, destination, plan, or thought. They sailed with total abandon, aware of only themselves. The tepid waters of casual cause rose up from the squalid deep, and the angel of death surfaced, surreptitiously followed them. They never heard it skulking. They never saw its face. Its shadow fell across them like a summer squall. The rain changed, grew thicker, became an endless deluge. They split apart like wet kindling, never to burn together again. Windswept and rain-stained, he hitched a ride on an outlaw breeze, and she sailed on alone into the rain.